All right, so you've worn the uniform. Yes, you got discharged, you got your DD-214, now you're ready to buy a house. Let me give you some tips on how that's gonna roll out. I am Angel. You know me. Every Wednesday we're here talking about real estate, your loans, what it takes to budget for them, all the things. So let's get to the VA loan straight away. So the VA loan has some parameters and it has some bennies that you guys get because you've obviously protected the country. Thank you, by the way. My mom served in the Army, my dad served in the Navy, and I've got many friends and family that have served, are serving, and I can't say thank you enough. Except to say, I'm your guy in this. You need to rely on me like I relied on you. We aren't a foxhole per se, but I'm here to help you get what you need to get the house of your dreams. Sometimes life happens and credit takes a hit. Sometimes it takes a couple of hits. And that's okay for a VA loan. I think they maybe know that. I don't know why, but your credit can be a little sketchy. I don't need you down in the 4s. We don't want you in the 5s, but if you're in the 6s, 7s, it's gonna be all right. You're still gonna be able to qualify. Your credit can be a little chunky. It's okay, it's not the end of the world. And it might make a very small difference in your rate, which I encourage you to do some homework on because they vary from lender to lender. So make sure you're doing your diligence and making sure you're not just going with like the first one that gives you a VA loan. Check them out, make sure you've got the good rate. But the credit might have a little bit of an effect, not a big effect like if it was another kind of loan, but with the VA loan, you're given a lot more grace with some chunkier credit when you're getting your loan for your house. So that's good news. You're gonna need to get some paperwork together as your second little tip here. You're gonna need to get your DD-214, assuming you were honorably discharged. You're gonna need to get your 222, which we talked about in this video, bank statements, tax returns, paycheck stubs, at least 2, and your DD-214, maybe your discharge paperwork. Take that to the lender that you do pick and make sure you've got all that so that they can give you your qualification letter. Also, some of the things that come with the VA loan is a termite clearance. Now, they're not going to let you move into a fixer-upper that's a dump truck of a house and think they're going to give you this $300,000 loan for you to make pretty. That's not what the VA wants. The VA has very specific requirements that they need for the house, and termite clearance is one of them. They're not putting you into a house that's got any kind of termite infestation or any kind of wood rot repair or anything like that. The seller, when you are the buyer, the seller pays for all of that termite clearance. Roger that.
Yes, sir.
And the third and final thing as a VA buyer that you get just for this video, there's plenty for me to share with you once we get you going. And another beautiful thing about your VA loan is zero money down. So what does that mean? Zero money down means you can borrow the full amount of that house price. You don't have to get private mortgage insurance. You don't have to put 25% down, 3.5% down. You put 0 down and you can make an offer on that house. Also, another little added bonus is that you can use your VA loan more than once. So say you bought a house and you sold it, and you went to go serve and you came back and you want to buy another house. You can use your VA loan again. I have some clients that have used it 3 or more times. And that is a beautiful thing because rates change, your life, your family size changes, and it's a good loan. I would encourage you that even if this isn't your first time buying a house and it's maybe your second or third, don't give up on that VA loan as your option because you can use it more than once. So do you see how easy it is to get a house once you've served our country? I mean, this is going to be the easiest part of your service, I guarantee it. So when the time comes, you remember these top 3 things and we'll be good to go. See you next Wednesday.